So we'll start off with moisturizing our skin. This will ensure that the skin is well prepared and it doesn't dry out throughout the day. Next, apply some under eye cream. This will ensure even and smooth application of your concealer later. Massage it gently into the skin. Apply a primer, preferably a glowy one because it's the glow season, and this will create a smooth base for your foundation. Next, we'll apply the foundation. Use downwards and outward strokes and work in sections. While the foundation is setting, fill in the eyebrows and comb them out with the help of a spoolie. Apply a concealer on your under eyes, just on the inner corners and the outer corners, and blend it with the help of a brush or a sponge, whatever you're comfortable with. Once you're done blending, apply the same concealer to the center of your face, that is your bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin and your forehead, and just blend it out with the help of same sponge or the brush. Take some powder and apply it to your under eyes and then to your entire face to set it by lightly dusting off the powder using a big powder brush. Next, we'll contour our hollows of the cheek, nose and jawline. This will give a defined structure to the face. Apply some blush to the apples of the cheek in the outward direction, and finally some highlighter on the high points of the face. Now for the eyes, take a reddish or a maroonish shade and apply it to the outer V and in the crease. Next, take a concealer and cut your crease only till the center of the eyelid. So we are basically doing a half cut crease. Use a shade of gold on top of that concealer and then just blend the gold shade with the reddish maroon shade. Use the same reddish maroon shade on your lower lash line. You can do this by using an angled brush. Draw a wing liner using a gel liner and use the same in your waterline as well. Finish off with some mascara on your upper and lower lashes. Set your makeup using a makeup fixer. Finish off the entire look with a lipstick of your choice. I love nudes and hence this, but you can totally rock a red lip too. And this is the final look. Hope you like it. Make sure to try it out. It's super easy and perfect for this wedding season.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.